National High School. I'm going to ask some students here why studying is more fun in Condagua. So, come on, let's go! Good afternoon, kids and ladies. I am going to ask you why studying is more fun here in Condagua.
Of course, it is fun. It is fun here in Condagua because it gives high quality education. Right, Pen?
Yeah, and besides, there's a lot of activities here compared to other schools. That's why we're so happy studying here.
Right? Absolutely, it's fun here.
Yes.
Thank you for the beautiful answers.
Thank you.
Thank
Also,
you. And also, well, that's all.
Goodbye. Because of studying, many undergraduates are not successful in many fields of profession. I'm going to ask some teachers here in Condagua why teaching is more fun here. So, come on, get inside. Good afternoon, teachers.
Good afternoon.
So, can I ask you some questions?
Yes, of course.
Why is studying here in Condagua is more fun?
For me, as an intern, I can say that studying here in Condagua is more fun because I can witness that there is a camaraderie between students and teachers. Just like what happens now, the students are working hand in hand to meet their to be more happy in their celebration. Okay, so one of the reasons why it is fun studying or teaching here in Condagua is that there are few populations here of the students compared to the big schools. So it is easy to accommodate their needs. It is easy to get along with them, to get close to them. So in return, you can be easily connected to your students. So it is more fun and exciting.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Ma'am, for this. It is the best among the rest. If no one teaches you how to start anything, you would fall into the ditch. And this place wouldn't be fun without knowing when and how to start everything.
My father and mother find out some people here in Hungary decided to patronize their husbands. Most of them are students. Most in Arabic. By the help of this, the students can go to school early.
Guys, right, the beautiful beach it has. It helps everyone to enjoy the beauty of nature that God created. So, let's explore around and let's see how people may react if I ask them why is sleeping more fun here in Condagua. Hey, little girl, come on. Just one question. Why swimming here in Condagua is more fun?
Aside from it to make it relax, it makes easy to enjoy the beach and get along.
Everyone to enjoy God's creation.
Oh my, it's my first time riding the boat. For me, it's more fun riding in the boat. If you can see, it's a beautiful series. Look around. It helps someone to appreciate the sea creature and to relax and to enjoy the beauty of Condagua. As you can see, I am here someone part of Condagua. I'm going to interview someone cooking. Let's go! Hello, Ate. Hi. I can interview you. Yes, of course. Why people so fun cooking?
have seen, and we must be proud on how to prepare and do our
By cooking, Hondureños have time enjoying the fruit of their hard work, as they use it as ingredients when they are cooking, and also let everybody to taste the goodness of Honduras. Not only the people of Condagua or the Hondureños are working here at BFF compound, but also the residents from the other places are working here. Farming. When you roam around this barangay, you can see some fields planted with grains, veggies, and fruits. It is true that farming is more fun here. For me, it helps to increase the production of rice, vegetable, and fruits in Condagua.
Hi! Look, I am riding on a bike. I feel good, right? Aside for helping us to be healthy, it is also one of the keys in order to explore the beauty of Condagua. While biking, they are capable to see different.
As you can see, I'm now standing here in Condagua station. I'm going to interview or hey, come on, this is Kate. It's riding. It is the common ride of Condagua, yes. So we can move to other places more past here by this. So come on, let's ride. It's more fun here in skate because fresh air will see. So we can also know the treasures of Condagua. Traveling is fun. Aside from relaxing, we can also feel the beauty of the world, and most especially the beauty of our very own place, Condagua. Place here in Condagua, the Saint Isidore Parish Church. Everything we have is a God-given. We owe everything to our Almighty God. So it is our responsibility and duty to show our gratitude to Him who gave His life for us. Lord gave. Lord is taken away. Bless thy name of the Lord. Sightseeing. No need to ask someone if sightseeing is fun here in Condagua, because I, myself, feel truly different and relaxed. One way to relax and think things helps everyone for the discoveries of a different beautiful sights that Condagua has. one of my hobbies under the bright moon, stargazing. We can enjoy viewing stars under the bright blue sky, and to appreciate the fabulous atmosphere of the stars.
You're a falling star. You're the
First time riding the boat.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got sex on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He rock bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly couch. He a motherfucking drip drip. Tell her all the drip drip. When he make a drip drip, kiss him.
Habits under the bright moon, stargazing. We can also enjoy viewing Star Wars setting under the Star Wars setting under the Star Wars setting under the Star Wars setting under the.
Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, kay rami-raming matatanaw. Ano man ang hanap mo, mas masaya dito. Gusto mo bang pumunta sa beach, or take a bite on a Filipino dish? Welcome na welcome ka dito sa Pinas. It's more fun, they say, if you do it the Filipino way. So come on and join us, mabuhay, tara na. It's more fun in the Philippines. Halika na at makisaya. It's more fun in the Philippines. Siguradong mapapangiti ka pa. It's more fun in the Philippines. Saan man mapadpad, hanap-hanapin ang saya. So if you're looking for a place to feel the sun shining through the faces of everyone, it's more fun in the Philippines. 7107 Islands of Fun. Kantahan man o sayawan, we do it better here. You hear those cheers. Ibang klase talaga ang Pinoy. Ang buhay laging tuloy-tuloy. We push away the bad vibes, turn them into smiles. It's more fun, they say, if you do it the Filipino way. So come on and join us, mabuhay, tara na. It's more fun in the Philippines. Halika na at makisaya. It's more fun in the Philippines. Siguradong mapapangiti ka pa. It's more fun in the Philippines. Saan man mapadpad, hanap-hanapin ang saya. So if you're looking for a place to feel the sun shining through the faces of everyone, it's more fun. It's more fun in the Philippines. Halika na at makisaya. It's more fun in the Philippines. Siguradong mapapangiti ka pa. It's more fun in the Philippines. Saan man mapadpad, hanap-hanapin ang saya. So if you're looking for a place to feel the sun shining through the faces of everyone, it's more fun in the Philippines.